Alrighty, guys, here we are. Y'all remember this spot? Yes. I come up here all the time. I should have an account up here, man. They should be giving me some free stuff, much business I give them. And on top of that, I'm a huge OEM guy. But like I say, guys, some things just do not have to be OEM. Okay. No. But, guys, I got my brake pads. I got the box. Let's go in here and see how this goes. I need a witness, so y'all my witness. They told me last time, lifetime warranty, even if it wear out, which they are designed to do. So go figure. Here we go. Let's get it. Come on, man. This is the pads. Yeah, I only took one side off. You want me to take both sides off? Did I need to take both sides off? Oh boy, here we go with the foolishness. And I bought front and rear. I don't know if this is for the front or the rear. I just know that box was still in my car. It's a 2009 Chrysler Town & Country. 2009 Chrysler Town & Country.
That one.
Look, man, I just want the same equivalent. I don't need nothing fancy.
You don't have this. You don't listen to what I'm telling you.
Well, give me the ones that's lower than that.
The Elite, I'm not going low, I'm going higher. The Elite costs more, but I'm going to let you get the Elite and mark it down for the same price like this, so you don't pay any money.
Thank you. Oh, so they don't sell. You hear that, Ruley? I think Ruley in the parts business. Autozone do not sell Duralast Max anymore. So the last few they sold, I assume, they sold with a lifetime warranty. I wonder, do the customers, are the customers aware that they would have run into this problem when they come back to replace them? In other words, will the customer, see, I'm fussing, so I don't know what the average customer have to pay the difference, the markup. We'll see. Ooh, Elites. Can I take a look at the pad and see if it matches that? So I'm going from Duralast Max to Duralast Elites. Oh, 3 times longer life, guys. These are still lifetime warranty, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm just shocked y'all sell brake pads as lifetime warranty. I mean, they're gonna wear out. Were they hoping we sell the car before we need some more brakes? Cause I'm keep coming back. Every time these sucker wear out, you best believe I'm coming back. All right, thanks, buddy.
How can I help you?
What an exchange, guys. But I can live with this. Okay, she's gonna have to pay for this shit anyway. That'll learn her not to be riding around freaking no brakes at all. She could have caught me. She could have brought it in when it was squeaking. Squeaking, there's a chance I can possibly save the rotor. But scrubbing, ain't no saving no scrubbing rotor. All right, so guys, I'll see y'all back at the shop. All right, guys, welcome back. Yes, these are the pads that I got. Duralast Elite. Okay, they obviously better than the Max. Now, I was able to get my piston back in and the boot back in place, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead with the job. This is a typical basic brake job you guys are already familiar with. Yes, I will be replacing these anti-rattle clips. In fact, they actually came with some. Okay, so I don't know what's the difference between the pad I took off and the pad that I'm going back on with, but at the end of the day, it's lifetime warranty, and I will hold them to their word. All right, guys, I got work to do. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Guys, make sure you lube these guide pins. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, I'd have been lucky if they got the Autozone watch like advanced. That's how it works. That's so cheap and advanced. You ain't got a watch, but you got it. That's what it costs for these. You say you came from downtown? Oh. I don't know, I was thinking you live out this way because your sister's there. We comfortable with you all, huh? I know, right? Shit, some places they used to hold on push plugs in there. When I bought this man, I always had a vehicle. I had a couple BMWs. I got this vehicle here, and there's a regular gas station.